Dear friends, today we are gathered here to celebrate a milestone achievement for a company, Ispahani Group, who dared to achieve 3 platinum pre-certificate for their upcoming project, Gazipur Tea Factory. In Bangladesh, other than RMG sector, this is the first factory or campus or manufacturing facilities that decided to practice sustainability and prove they can do it in a next level in world standard. And they decided to go for LEED certifications. And this new project has 3 buildings, and each of those buildings already pre-certified in platinum level. So we are here to give out that official letter, official certificate, official logo from the United States Green Building Council. I am Anant Ahmed, lead AP, principal lead consultant, and USGBC faculty will give out these documents to them. So I would like to invite to the head table Director Mirza Ahmed Ispahani to join with me, please. And also General Manager Dr. Engineer Ghulam Mustafa sir, please join with me. So now I would like to request General Manager Dr. Engineer Ghulam Mustafa to say a few words about the Ispahani. As you know, the Ispahani is a 200 years old company, and it is a Bangladeshi company. And as you know, that once upon a time, the tea was one of our main export items, and that led by Ispahani Group. Till today, we also are very good at tea, and even in Bangladesh, tea market evolved significantly. So they are the pioneer of Bangladesh economical infrastructure. They have so many other business. So I would like to hear from Dr. Engineer Ghulam Mustafa to say a few words about Ispahani.
Thank you. Ispahani was established in 1820, so it is around 206 years old company. And in this subcontinent, they were, before 47, they were in India, and now after 47, they established in Bangladesh also. So tea is their one of the most prestigious business, and they are the pioneer in tea business. We have got some other factories, one in old factories in Chittagong, and other factory in Sri Mongol. We established a 3rd factory in Bangladesh near Gazipur, which happens to be a LEED Platinum certified factory. So Ispahani in Bangladesh tea, Ispahani has a significant role developing the market. Once upon a time, it was mostly export oriented. We are exporting tea, but nowadays export is very less, and whatever the amount is importing also best quality teas sometimes. So we are almost consuming all of our teas in Bangladesh local market, and business is also good. Ispahani is doing well. Hope with the 3rd factory we can set a standard in tea industry in respect of hygiene, energy consumption, as well as a standard of machineries, automation. All the most modern things will be there in Bangladesh, which we can tell that in tea industry, Ispahani will be again a pioneer in this era. So not more for today. Thank you all.
Thank you, Dr. Engineer Ghulam Mustafa. We heard that about Ispahani. I just want to add, Ispahani expanded its business to food, real estate, commercial real estate, and other area, and playing a significant role. As I visited all their factories in Sri Mongol and Chittagong as a sustainable advisor or consultant, I seen that they practice sustainability in their core. By default, they try to do things better. They try to manage the environment. They work with the environment. The tea garden is one of the nicest environmental elements that we have. in our mountain area. And at the same time, they care for their people. I heard that people works for Ispahani usually don't leave to other job because they care for them. And at the field level, the tea factory run by the people who collect the tea leaf, they care for them. So going for LEED is just like another step, but it is not something they are doing new. They are almost doing it. And now with this process, they established internationally recognized their effort, which they are running upon. So I would like to hear from Director Mirza Ahmed Ispahani, sir, to say a word that what you feel about this platinum certificate, because 3 platinum certificate in one location is rare, and the people don't go for it. They just most of the time take one certificate and then show that they got the certificate, not the practice wise. But we went for all these 3 buildings because each these 3 buildings go through the checklist in each aspect of the LEED, that how they can become better environmentally, better for people that stay there or work there. So that is proven. And getting 90 plus points, I'll explain that, is not easy, right? In Bangladesh perspective, which they get. So I want to hear from Mirza Ahmed Ispahani, sir, a few words.
Firstly, I want to congratulate everyone, the team that worked together very hard over the last few years to put this project together. As we move forward in this world, this kind of thing is becoming much more important. Those of us who live in Dhaka, we've seen the last few years, you generally see one of the worst AQI, air quality index we've seen in the world. It's bad for our lungs, bad for children. We've been around for 200 years, as Mr. Ghulam Mustafa said, Dr. Ghulam Mustafa. So if you want to be here for another 200 years, we need to ensure the environment is there with us. So I was very pleased to hear, I did not know before you mentioned today that we are the first company outside the garment and textile sector that is actually looking at this. And to be honest, most of them are looking at it because it's a requirement from their buyers. But it's not a requirement for us, but we are looking ahead. We want to be ahead and we want to make sure that we are doing good for the people and for the environment. So I'd like to congratulate everyone and thank you to our lead consultant who handheld us through this journey and helped us understand. And we learned a lot as well during this process. And we hope we can implement this as a full process. This is just pre-certification. We of course want the full certification, and then over time we want to move all our factories in this direction. So thank you, and thank everyone that was involved in this.
Thank you very much, Mirza Ahmed Ispahani, for encouraging word. I just want to say that there's a 3 building in this campus, and each of those buildings get its own certificate. And each of them get the platinum certificate. I just give you a little bit brief just to be in record. Their first building is the production building where the production will happen. That building acquired 95 points out of 110. And then the facility building acquired 94 points out of 110. And the utility building also get 91 points out of 110. So there's a 3 project with above 90 points and platinum certificate. By doing that, I just visited the site as my regular work. It's beautiful looking building. It's not look like a factory or anything like that. It's look like a cottage, right? And the environment of the building is become so precise because we did all the simulations, airflow, heat gain and everything. I think the people going to work will be very enjoying the work as they do in this project. In terms of sustainability, I just give you some number average for these 3 buildings. The average energy savings compared to authorized standard is 50% plus, okay? And out of that energy that they're going to use, almost 35% plus will come from solar. So it means you're only using 15% of the energy compared to the next building or compared to the shrine. That is a significant positive impact to the environment because you are using less fossil fuel energy, which is huge. Secondly, you're going to use almost 50% less water. The potable water will be a scarcity for Bangladesh as we go forward, but you're going to use less, more than 50% savings will happen. We are going to rectify our STP water. We're going to treat our grey water, and we're going to treat 100% of rainwater and reuse it. That's the way we achieve our 50% plus water. Even it has the possibilities with the pond, it will become a zero discharge water facilities, meaning your water will not go out and pollute the environment. It will remain there, recycle there, and reuse as it goes. It's going to be its own circular water use, which is very unique. It's not many projects go for that, which you did. Plus the waste management we created, it's also going to save 95% waste going to the landfill. We're going to keep the waste, preserve their quality, preserve the value, and reuse it or sell it for other people to use it. So if the footprint of the material is not going to the landfill, the resource remain useful either in our project or in other project. That is also very good. So those are the very basic sustainability parameters. Along with 50% more, we have open space, the green space, garden, natural ponds. So these are the things they achieve. I just say it because I want to keep it in the record. And I would like to thank Manoj sir, Mustafa sir to give me the opportunity and the Ispahani Group to take this initiative and trust us as a Bangladeshi consultant for doing it. And I think we as a team, we do it very well. And as he said that all other projects that we have, we did the preliminary assessment and we find that there is also a lot of things we can improve and go forward with that. So with that, thank you very much. And now we're going to do our actual handover of the certificates and logos and letters and few other things. Okay, please. So this is our official certificate, official letter framed up for them. It's free, that's why it looks so big. From United States Green Building Council President, this letter sent to him. This is the official logo we are handing over. They are now authorized to use it anywhere they want in their company, their marketing material, in their product, whatever they want to choose to. Thank you very much. So this is little bit what you can call it side tale. As you know, in green building process, productivity or economy is a pillar under triple bottom line benefit. So one pillar is productivity. So what we decided to support project with productivity improvement, we developed a guidebook called 5+5S, it's 10S system. It's the first kind of guidebook to incorporate that world famous 5S system, right? In Toyota, in Honda, they have grown based on this. We develop it, enhance it to 10S. So it's an official implementation plan. Office can have their own people study it and use it as it fits, customized for the office. So I want to present you as a gift from my side. Thank you so much. So I
Thank you very much.
Thank you.